Welcome. Today we're going to have a presentation and a demonstration of our LKA 30 PS, the latest version in a 4th generation long machine that automatically cuts and measures the wire rope with good accuracy and high speed. So, a short walkthrough of the machine. We start with a 10-inch intuitive screen that lets the operator interact with the machine and do everything that we need. In front here we have the feeding unit that feeds the wire rope from 3 to 30 millimeter. We have the fully hydraulic cutting unit, completely new, silent and extremely quick. We have the extraction tube. In the standard configuration we have a 3-meter section. These can be added on how long we want. It's just a matter of putting other sections on and on further on. Looking closer at the control unit, we have an air preparation unit that regulates the air, that traps the water and has emergency shut off if emergency stop is used. We also have this pressure regulating valve with an indicator clock that shows you the pressure on the wheels that pushes the rope through the machine. We have a machine sign that says all the data about the machine. We have an oil level indicator below here. Compared against the predecessors to this machine, this takes up to 30 mm and it takes down to 3. To take down to 3 mm, we have an insert that comes as standard with the machine. This is extremely easy to remove just by using one of the keys that's in the slot. We push it in, we release the screw, we push the key back, we twist it and we pull it out. We then place it in its designated place to be stored with the machine at all times. The machine is now prepared to run up to 30 mm. To start with the machine, we open the cover. We grab our wire rope from our uncoiling unit. We take the wire rope, we push it through, push it through, push it through, like so. We close the cover. We lock the cover. We clamp the wire in place. We can now start to manually feed. We do a clean cut. And we're now ready for serial production. We go into automatic mode. We say that we want to have pieces that are 1500 millimeters long. We want 5 pieces and we push start. We now have a machine that automatically feeds and cuts the wire rope for us and produces. We have a current cycle time of 11.3 seconds and this is going to be ready in 40 seconds. The machine has now reached its quantity and ready for next job. So, time to run a batch. We're gonna input 1000 millimeters and we're gonna put 20 pieces in and we're gonna push start. Time to measure and see the result. Measuring individually, we can clearly see that we're reaching the 1000 mm mark. For this 1 meter length, the accuracy is well within the 0.25%. We're at exactly 1 meter. The repeatability is extremely good. Looking at the safety features of the machine, we have the emergency stop fully in reach for the operator when operating the machine. We have indicator light that indicates if the machine is running, if it needs intervention from the operator, or if an emergency or if an unpredicted stop has occurred. The machine is fully encapsulated in protective covers to hinder the operator from accessing the dangerous parts of the machine. As the machine is now, we have a magnetic lock situated here that locks with 270 kilos. When the lock is disengaged, it's real easy to open and access, either for maintenance or anything. When the door is open, nothing can move inside here. Everything is powerless and nothing can hurt or damage anyone. So when closing the cover, we can on the screen push a lock key that enables us to cut, to feed or clamp the wire rope if needed. Feeling this one now, it can't be opened. When the machine is locked, there is no way for anyone to get fingers or other body parts or anything in between. Everything is blocked and we can't get anything into the danger zone. As all Talurit machines, they are built extremely tough. We have sturdy beams going down. We have a thick plate that everything is mounted on. We have extremely thick steel plates in the cutting unit to hold for years and years. To summarize, we have a versatile machine that's the 4th generation. We have been producing this type of machine for more than 50 years. This iteration is a fully automatic machine that can be controlled through a 10-inch touchscreen, where we can reach all settings and everything we need to get a smooth operating machine. It handles from 3 to 30 mm wire rope. We have a high accuracy and we have an extreme repeatability. As for all our machines, we have developed this with the environment in mind. We have power save functions on everything, so as soon as it's not being used, or if a function isn't used, it's turned off to save energy and save resources. This machine is real easy to tailor to the customer's need. The spouts can be added in 3 meter sections. It can be ordered only with a spout, like this, or it can be ordered with a coiler also. It can also be ordered only with a coiler if needed. To switch between coiler and straight lengths, it's only the click of a button on the screen. The machine and all its parts is prepared for Industry 4.0. We can get feedback from sensors and everything into an overlaying system if needed. This machine fits any rigging shop. Doesn't matter if you're gonna cut one piece or if you're gonna cut batches of wire rope. In combination with our AVL 5000, the uncoiling table we handle fully automatic solutions where we can cut an entire drum up into pieces. The machine can be left unattended and it will stop when the wire rope is finished, and it will produce for as long as you have set it to. For more information, demonstration or a quote, contact us at Talurit Group.